In 1513, just 2 decades after Columbus's voyage, the world's geography was still a vast, unexplored question mark. Yet, an Ottoman admiral and cartographer named Piri Reis compiled a world map that contained knowledge that should not have existed for another 300 years. Discovered in 1929 in a dusty library in Istanbul's Topkapi Palace, the Piri Reis Map is a fragment of a much larger world map. Piri Reis himself stated that he compiled it from 20 different older sources, including maps drawn by ancient Greeks, Arab explorers, and even a map allegedly captured from Christopher Columbus. The map is remarkable for its time, displaying the coastline of South America with striking accuracy, especially given that it was drawn only 20 years after the region was first visited by Europeans. However, the greatest mystery lies at the bottom of the map, where it depicts a massive landmass extending eastward and connected to the tip of South America. This landmass is commonly interpreted by experts as the coastline of Antarctica. The problem is twofold. First, Antarctica was not officially discovered until 1820, over 300 years after Piri Reis drew his map. Second, the coastline shown on the map is depicted as ice-free. Modern geological studies confirm that parts of the Queen Maud Land coast of Antarctica were last ice-free approximately 6,000 years ago. How could an Ottoman admiral in the 16th century possess data that required advanced surveying techniques and, more unbelievably, data showing the geography of Antarctica as it existed thousands of years before? The map defies established history, leading to intense debate and to main theories. The conventional explanation is that the landmass is simply an exaggerated, misplaced depiction of the South American coast, or perhaps the imagined Terra Australis incognita, the unknown southern land common on medieval maps. Piri Reis may have just misinterpreted his older sources, but a more sensational theory suggests that the sources Piri Reis used must have originated from a far older, technologically advanced civilization capable of circumnavigating the globe and mapping coastlines before the last ice age. This implies a lost civilization or even, some claim, ancient alien intervention. While the mainstream view remains skeptical of the Antarctic claim, the level of accuracy and the sheer implausibility of the ice-free data ensure that the Piri Reis Map remains one of history's most enduring and provocative mysteries. It is a compelling fragment of parchment that asks whether humanity truly lost knowledge that was once centuries ahead of its time. Thank you for exploring this fascinating historical puzzle. Do you think the Piri Reis Map shows a real ice-free Antarctica, or is it just a cartographic error? Share your thoughts below. If you are fascinated by lost knowledge and hidden history, please like and subscribe.